You can build professional landing page from your phone now. No laptop, no coding stress. Lovable released a mobile app that lets you build a website directly from your phone. In this video, I will show you how I build this landing page step by step using Lovable AI. Beginner friendly, simple, fast. So if you want to start building website directly from your phone using AI, this video is for you. Let's get started. So we'll start by moving to Play Store. As you see, you just open Play Store and go ahead to the search bar. Then you'll search for Lovable. As you see, Lovable AI, the second app. Just click on it and click on the install button. Yes, once you click on the install button, it will start installing and it will take a few moments. Once it is done, just click on open and it will open the app, which will vibe code a simple landing page. Now you just need to download this app and describe what you want. As you see, here's the interface of the app. If you click there, you'll see all your projects. This is all my projects that I have been working on. So as you see, you can also create new project. As you see, this interface, you'll chat with it. As you see, this is placed. You can build or plan. You can choose one of it. You can just build directly or plan before you build. For me, I'll just build directly. So I'll start writing my prompt. Like this is a prompt I'm writing for the landing page I want to build. I'm describing to it what I want it, and once I finish, I click on the go ahead button. It starts building the landing page. So I think the landing page is almost done. Yes, as you see, it's just finished building this simple landing page. I just described what I want it to build in plain English. As you see, it includes all the things I told it to include, all the hero sections, and it also includes smooth animations and transitions through the scrolling. This is amazing. Like, this is really amazing. So now so the next step is to deploy this website, this landing page, so that you can share it to the world. You can share it to anyone you want him to visit the landing page. As you see, to the bottom, you'll see the download icon. Just press on the download icon and you will rename your page. After you rename the page, you will click on continue. You'll just go through some setup there. It is so simple. You'll also include the logo of the landing page you want. As you see, I'm almost done. I'm publishing it. So I think my website is finally live, published. You can share it. Just click on the share icon and you can share it to anyone you want. If you ever struggle with building websites, you have seen how simple it can be with AI. Now I want to hear from you. What will you build with this tool? Also, stay consistent, keep learning, and never give up.